Ano dito? Whalers Village. Como man. Yung madaming ano. Madami pala mga souvenir dyan. Oh. That's the souvenir. We are now in Whalers Village. Como man. Sephora. Yeah. Now I'll take picture of both of you because I have a YouTube channel.
Oh,
Hello, my new friends here from Norwegian Sun, right?
from Canada.
Canada. I'm from San Diego, California.
Okay.
Eddie and
Tracy and Art.
Hi. Okay.
And
Nice
Eddie,
meeting both of
nice
you.
meeting you.
See you then, okay?
Yeah.
207. Okay. May, let's go then. Ito pa lang pinakamagandang mall niyo. Oh, dito na yan. Tignan mo ito. Mamahalin ba yan? O, sige. Dito mo gusto? Paradise Lahay na. Whalers Village, Eco Moman, Maui. Okay. Ang ganda pala dito. May 207 ang meron. May 107. O, dito mo gusto?